Videos from Nessentials: how to assemble a broom or scrubber with and without thread.
Hello! Today I want to show you how to assemble a broom. We have two different handles, with thread and without thread. The with thread, easy going with all the heads that have a thread. You just screw them on until it's very tight. The other ones, brooms or scrubbers without thread, the easiest way to assemble them to a handle without thread is put it on a little bit and then you knock it. Knock, 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 knock until the handle is all in, and then you put a little screw in here. Done, assembled.